Hi, everyone. I am so proud of you that you have gotten this far. And let's just keep going. All right. So today we're going to be learning about the letter Jeem. Jeem. J, J, Jeem. There are three forms of Jeem. In the beginning of a word, this is what it looks like. In the middle of a word, this is what it looks like, clearly connecting with something else. And at the end of the word, again, connecting, but in the Jeem's full form. All right, so let's see some examples on the next slide. Here we have Jeem for Jamel. Jamel. Jamel means camel. Here, we can see that it is at the beginning of the word. This is what the Jeem looks like. Now let's move on to the middle of the word. Wajh. Wajh. Wajh means face. Wajh means face. And here we see it again in the middle. And again, in the middle, it is connecting to something always, right? And so you can either have the line start from here or start from here, but you're always going to have it connecting. And finally, at the end of the word, this is what the Jeem looks like. Zauj. 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 Zauj means husband. And again, at the end of the word, you'll always have the Jeem in its first form, which is the Jeem like this. All right, let's keep going.